Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a VW Passat hood with a broken latch. It can be frustrating when your hood won't open, especially if you need to check fluids or perform maintenance. We will explore several effective techniques to get your hood open without causing further damage. This guide aims to provide clear, step-by-step instructions, helping you tackle this common issue with confidence and the right approach. First, let's assess the situation. If your interior hood release handle feels loose, the cable is likely disconnected or broken. You'll need to locate the latch mechanism itself, which is usually visible through the front grille. For some models, gaining access through the driver's side wheel well by removing the wheel and fender liner provides a good pathway to the cable. Having basic tools ready will make the next steps much smoother. Now for the manual release. One common method involves using a long screwdriver or a hook tool to reach through the grille and directly engage the latch mechanism. Alternatively, you can access the cable by removing the driver's side wheel and fender liner, then reaching behind the headlight. For a more involved approach, you might carefully pry the hood slightly and use a 10mm ratcheting wrench to loosen the two bolts holding the striker plate. If you can grab the cable, pull it hard. Congratulations, your hood is open. Now, it's crucial to inspect the entire hood release system. The cable often comes in two sections, so check both for breaks or disconnections. Replacing the faulty cable or latch assembly is recommended for a permanent fix. Before closing the hood, apply a good lubricant to all moving parts of the latch to prevent future sticking. Always test the new or repaired mechanism several times to ensure it operates perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.